students, this is the continuation of last video. So axis 1, if it is passing through axis 1, now column wise both the things will be concatenated, so that if you see this output you could understand that, right? So column wise means these are all df1 or df first one, then these are all df next df2 or df and df1, right? You kept like that, so that these are all the things taken from this one without checking any condition. It's just joining both the rows and columns of the particular df, right? So column wise means all the column will be present over there. So in the first df there are 3 columns, in next df there are 2 columns, every 5 columns has been visible over here. Suppose if I am just going to say axis equal to 0, then row wise everything will be now joined. If you see here the output, this is what the output here, if you see here. So from here to there, first data frame has been passed. Here if you see, salary has not been given there. If salary has been given by me here itself, again the salary will be there. Okay, so NAN not, it is not identified. Okay, so that this is why it is that is none data type, null, nothing is there, so that it is none data type. So nothing, no element is passed over here, these are all empty. So salary I didn't pass in first one. Next one, if you see, next employee ID has been given in another next data frame. So 101, 102 is employee ID has been given, but name has not been passed, right? So that if you pass name, then both everything will be now joined over here. So according to the column, it has to take every values, and particular column values will be now sent over there. So here if you see, row wise every elements will be now joining with this employee ID. So column wise means you will get 5 columns. Here 3, there 2, right? 5 columns. Here if you see, there are only 4 columns. So this is what the difference between axis 1 and axis 0. Now merging is little different. What is merging? If you see here, merging is different. What is merging? So I am just going to make df4. Okay, so if you are passing with this one, the hash sign, this sign elements, that particular line will not be executed by the system, so that I am just making that commanded. Okay, so now you see here, now df4 is merging you are using. Now last time you have seen concatenation means joining, merging means according to the particular condition both df and df1 should be now joined. What is the condition here? Primary key is employee ID. So according to the primary ID, both the things will be now joined. Let's see how it is working out. Press F5. So it is completely different. You see here. So according to the employee ID 101 Sachin, and his gender is male, and salary is this much. Here if you see, in the second df I have mentioned another one employee ID, right? In our first employee data also consists of 101, and next df1 I have considered another data. If you see here, go to the program and look at here. See here, I have in the first one employee ID also has been passed, and second data frame I have passed these two, these again employee ID, but in the answer you couldn't see 2 times employee ID. There is only 1 time employee ID has been displayed, and all other particular information about this particular Sachin will be printed in the same thing. So it is different than concatenation. In concatenation, without checking of any employee ID, automatically all rows and columns will be displayed. But in merging, You can give condition with employee ID, with you have to check